Now welcome all to this new video. So see how people they look me for road and I practically did naked. Jesus, I did naked. So hi everybody, welcome to this new video. So right now I the worker go make my hair. So since I know they work now, I decide to do events. Like normally before I get the flight attendant job, so it's not been they do before. I mean they do event hostess. Then from event hostess now they come promote me to event coordinator. So now event coordinator, why they do sometimes even they help the event planner. Event coordinator, why they do, I mean event coordination, why they do, and events assistant event planning. I wait to come land me this job where I get. So now they get events next tomorrow, yes, on the 28th of this month, and they call me now since I did around and I know they work for the meantime. They can't call me, say make I assist them, make I coordinate events for one place like that, a travel job sha. And since me and they do anything now, I quickly agree. So the events where would they go for, they make our hair, they make our hair, they do our makeup, they provide accommodation for us, they transport us go the place and back. So anyhow sha, I the worker go make I go do my hair. They say they go do us, not my sisters with that, no, they say they go do us they say they go do us free hair. So I dey go make my hair. So now the thing we did there, my friends, waiting with their name, Juliet and Divine. Jesus, I didn't naked. Jesus, I didn't naked. Wait, I didn't naked. So Juliet and Divine, I tell them they come, so we'll go together. They all do the event together. They don't come since, but they wait for me. And me, I don't leave my house. Instead of me to book Uber, then I will pick them from road. I don't do any of that. One funny thing, people just look me for road. So I started work under this song. So I just make a quickly do. And now my sister did not carry key come off, and me I did with my key. So I don't know how I go take down now. So even though they tell me I don't lock the door for house, I don't already lock them. I don't even know how I go take do now. And this one not there here at all. So anyway, sha, I don't even know why I wear the clothes I wear, because I practically did naked as I walk for road like this at the whole land. But anyways, my friends they wait for me, so okay, quickly walk out. It gets shortcut way day from my house. I suppose you stay with my friend, but those shortcut people today are Sunday, by the way, they already open on Sunday, so I had to go round. I no hold cash for me to say make I enter bike, and my head no click say make I use boat. I been a Uber, and yeah. Anyway, sha, I quickly roll. They don't already they swear for me because they see me when I pass, so they just like the other side of the gate. Okay, see my sister.
Why are you not booking ride?
No, you should book ride with your phone.
Why?
I'm doing video on my phone, making a book ride. Shit. Jesus, is that your See, in this vlog, this vlog.
You don't even know the name of the place we're going to.
I know the name.
What's the name?
Fish
Wait,
market.
so you're paying for the ride, though? Should we know?
Yes, I am. See,
Yeah, it's just like
speak pidgin, I beg.
Why?
Because before I no get straight to edit.
No.
To edit video.
So it's me that is speak nonsense English and you
No, I'm talking about everybody. It's everybody, it's not just you. Shit.
What's the name of this place? What's the name of this place?
Don't worry, automatic now. GPS.
And the GPS.
I just don't. Where my sister's in there? I hope to. Yeah?
Is this where we there?
Yes, now where are they?
Like with them, man.
Where are they now? Because I'm with the key.
They're gone now. We met them on our way coming.
I have to call them.
What are you waiting for?
See, come, let's go on that shade or something. Jesus, they've demolished this police station. Are you serious? See, I literally did naked. I don't even know why.
Did anybody ask you to be naked? They will know that you did not wear anything.
divine. You guys should speak pidgin now. What's up?
I didn't.
You did. You you did.
I don't. I know savvy how to speak now.
Wow, lie for me. English now. Which tribe for Nigeria?
Where?
English now. Which tribe for Nigeria?
I have no idea. I just know that I can speak
Are you
pidgin
Nigerian?
language or whatever it's called.
Are you already?
I'm English. That's what I am.
Are you already?
So 12 minutes. Why are you
Jesus.
spanking my bum bum?
Do you have bomb to spank?
Jesus.
See,
In the next 50 years, when you see this video, you don't go like am at all. You go say you'll be laughing. You'll be saying, why did Marvelous post this video?
It's 12 minutes.
Come, let me call my sister.
Why is it so far?
carry glasses cover her eyes.
Carry glasses.
Next one.
Who draw you this eyebrow? Who draw you this?
Aya oh, make una see oh, we don't make hell. We don't finally come up for all back.
Congratulations to us.
Yes, oh.
Finally, we don't do well. We don't see come up for all back. So we say, congratulations.
Finish our hair. So the main thing now to go pack for tomorrow. Tomorrow be the day we go for the job. They never tell us. They never tell us time. Anyways, we all do the same. We all do the same hairstyle. Make it like the shirt up now for goodness sake. So we dey go look for park. One of my friends dey travel go Lagos. So we don't go GEU. I'm not even know the full meaning. So now we dey go. What's in the color? God is good.
So I would have taken a picture by my phone. I dashed it out.
Thank you.
How are you guys?
I'm fine. Good
How's your
evening.
Sunday going?
Very well,
Bless
thank
you.
you. Bless you too.
I cannot embarrass myself. For real. I hate escalators. I really hate escalators.
I never see my hair yet. I see my hair. Oh, my hair fine. We all do the same hair, but this one only for our forehead.
Well, who's listening to us?
Who is what? Koena. This girl is very tall.
Okay, because they're very short. I understand.
Shut up.
Sorry.
You guys are fish. I thought you guys were on my back.
We were.
Make una do now. So this is not the next day. I dey wait for my Uber like this. I don't even know where he enter. Don't dey wait for her. I'll meet up time about 7, and this now almost 7 o'clock. It could be a long deal because now they say we dey go airport first to go pick up some people before we start to make our journey to Nassarawa State. Now sleep get me. And sleep. My sisters still dey sleep sha. I wake up. I don't even to wake up early. I set alarm. Hey, I don't know whether now just me. I think everybody see they happen to. I set alarm for 4 a.m. And the alarm ring. I don't even hear nothing. I wake up by 5:13 a.m. But I can't hurriedly do my work. So now I wait for the Uber guy, and he don't already put arrival. Don't put arrive and wow. I still wait for him, sha. Hopefully, everybody they complete for there. Battery is very low. We don't walk a tire. If you see where we come, we drive. We get here finally in the middle of nowhere. I swear to God, it can't reach the time. All of us come here. Is all that tent empty? Is the tent empty? That one. And now let's enter this one because the other one is not empty. So, anyway, sha. No, we'll just stay here and wait.